Hi.
Hi, my name's Neil Williams and I'm a podiatrist. I met Antonella at the Kettering conference. We were talking about the K-laser. Antonella was very enthusiastic about the K-laser. It sounded too good to be true, so I signed up for the trial. I've had the machine for 3.5 weeks and I have to say it really is a little miracle in a box. It works on everything, from the head to the toe. As I say, I'm a podiatrist. However, I have been using it on osteoarthritis on hands, I've been using it on whiplash, I've been using it on back pain, knee pain, anything, absolutely anything. The results are phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. They are actually near enough instant. All I can say is just do the trial and see for yourself.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we try and increase amputation, trying to work on the toes when they developed an ulcer so that we could stop the ulcer from growing to a point that needs amputation. So, and we managed to get several ulcers to heal and we avoid amputation that way. And
You know, I think.
Compared to what it was.
Compared to what it was. In fact, I'll just have a look at my camera on my phone.
but that will be good for people in private.
Just bear with me. Because I just need to put them in the gallery.